Let's quickly set up your inputs and outputs in Cubase. If you're a beginner, go get my free PDF so you can get to know some essential key commands in Cubase. Link in description. Let's go. After you plug in your audio interface, go to Studio, Studio Setup, and here in Audio System, choose your audio interface. Make sure that you've installed the latest driver for that. Most brands will have a support page on their website where you can download the latest one for your specific device. Then click Switch, OK. Next, go to Studio Audio Connections, and in the Outputs tab, the stereo out should have your audio interface. Left and right. If you would ever delete this, don't panic. Just go here, Add Bus, choose Stereo, OK, and that's it. If you want to record something, also go to the Inputs tab. I'm just going to remove this. And let's say I'm using a microphone for my vocals. Add Bus, Mono. I'm going to call this Mic. And I have the mic plugged into input 2 on my interface. Side note, if you have a condenser mic, make sure you switch on the phantom power on your interface as well. Then I'm going back in to add a bus for my guitar, also mono. And this one is plugged into input 1. On your audio interface, there's a high Z input for your guitar. This can be a separate input, or maybe you have an instrument switch or button, and that allows you to just plug in the guitar. So now the audio connections are set up. Then all you have to do in this case is create 2 mono tracks. Go into the routing section, choose the microphone as the input on one track, and the output should be stereo out. And on the second track, choose the guitar as the input, stereo out again, and you're good to go. So I hope that helped. If it did, please like the video and also subscribe and have fun making music.